Alright, so military time ulit tayo. Alright, here, meron tayong chart. Under the first column, we have military, and we have the regular or the 12-hour time format. Military time would be 24-hour format. Okay? Starting of the day, 12 midnight ang ating starting point o yung 12 o'clock a.m. So, in military, what will it be? How it is written?
24.
100 hours or 000 hours. Okay? So, wala na yung 24 class, no? Wala na yung 24. Wait lang ha, i-add natin si, sino ba yung nandito? Si Winter. Late si Winter. Okay, so starting of the day, sa gabi, o midnight, ay...
Nagbalik akong among kuryente po.
Okay. Uy, marunong na magtagalog si si Winter Okay, so at the start of the day, syempre midnight yun, it is, sa military, it is 100 hours or just 000 hours. Bakit 100 hours ang merong 00 doon sa last two digits? Because ang 00 plus means 100. Di ba yung 100 natin is ganyan?
Opo, mayroon 2
0, di ba ang 100? Sa British English,
ang camera ni mo, di na pagkakitan ang sa'yo mga gusulat sa whiteboard.
Tagalog ko? Tagalog ko? Wait lang ha. Wait lang.
Hindi daw makikita yung sinulat sa whiteboard.
Okay. Kita mo na? Pa.
Up, 100 lang akong makitaan.
Yeah, okay.
Who's signing in here?
Okay, class ha? Be sure na you won't miss any lesson kasi sunod-sunod yon. So, ma-miss mo ang isang lesson na marami kang mamimiss. Okay? So, kung bakit tayo 100 ito, 100 or 100, dito sa military time is, let's say this one is 100 hours. 100 hours. Sa British, ang pag sinasabi nga na 1,000, ang basa nila dito is 10 hundreds. 10 hundreds. Okay, sa military, siyempre, ganun din ang magiging basa natin. It's 100 hours. Sa alas 12, in punto na sinasabi ni Brits, it is 000 hours or 100 hours. Okay? Now, dito sa military, start of the day is 12 o'clock in the standard time or regular time. But in military is 000 hours. Okay? Now, it's 12 o'clock a.m. or midnight. Ito yung tinatawag natin yung madaling araw. Nag-start ang araw ng 12 o'clock a.m. Sa tanghali naman, yung noon. 12 o'clock p.m. or 12 noon. Kailan ba tayo kumakain? Anong oras? 12 a.m. or 12 p.m.? 12 p.m. Afternoon yun na ibig sabihin. 12 p.m. Ang a.m., ito naman yung hating gabi. Tulog na tayo niyan. But that is the start of the day. Okay? So this one is read as,
0 with hours.
okay, 100 hours. Brits, read,
With hours.
100 hours. In the standard time, it is 1 o'clock a.m. Okay, tingnan niyo mabuti how it is being written. Ang military, walang colon. Ang regular hour or standard time, meron siyang colon to separate the hours and the minutes.
Wala din po siya AM and PM.
Yung alin?
Wala din po yung military AM and PM.
Yes, that is correct. So, no need to specify or indicate AM or PM kasi yung format ng military time is from 00 to 24 hours. Okay? Now, in this military, how do you read this one? Winter.
2 AM.
AM ba? Military. Take note of the column military. So, how do you read this one?
In military,
Yes. It is read as
0 to 200 hours.
yes, okay, that's correct. But you can simply say 200 hours. Meaning 0200 ang pagkakasulat. Ito naman ay katumbas ng sa regular hour. Ano katumbas?
2 AM po.
2 a.m. is correct. Okay? 2 a.m. Okay, susunod na oras. How do you read this one, Kyrie?
300 hours.
Yes, in regular time, what will it be its counterpart?
In regular time, it will be 3 a.m.
3 a.m. is correct. 3 a.m. 03, colon, and then 00. Okay, next one. How do you read this one, Maxil?
400 hours.
Yes, in regular time, it is
4 a.m. po.
4 a.m. Tulog na tulog pa tayo dyan, no? Okay, next one. How do you read this one? Winter.
500 hours po.
Very good. And its counterpart in regular time?
5 AM.
5 a.m. Remember that there is a colon to separate the hour and the minute. Okay, next hour is Silene, can you read? Followed by Kirby.
600 hours.
Yes, 600 hours. Okay? And its counterpart is
6 AM.
6 a.m. is correct. Okay. Now, the next is Kirby.
700 hours.
Okay, 700 hours. Ano ang katumbas sa regular time?
7 o'clock.
7?
7 AM.
7 a.m. Okay. Next one, si Brits.
800 hours.
Ang katumbas?
8 AM.
8 a.m. Okay, next one, Maxil.
900 hours.
Counterpart?
9 a.m.
9 a.m. is correct. Next one, Brits.
1000
100 hours. In regular time, we have 10 a.m. Okay, next one, winter.
1100 minutes.
Minutes ba?
1100 hours.
Yes, 1100 hours. And in regular time, it is
11 a.m.
a.m. Alright, so malapit na tayong kumukulo na yung tiyan ko at tayo na ay lunch. Okay, the time will be
00 hours. 1200 hours.
yes. Pag tayo ay magla-lunch na 1200 hours and it is counterpart is 12
12 a.m.
ano?
p.m.
Ha? 12
p.m.
a.m. May narinig ako, a.m.
Nailin po.
Si Kylie, no? Ang midnight ay a.m. Pero pag yung tayo ay kakain na sa tanghalian, it's 12 p.m. Okay. Naintindihan na natin.
Opo.
Okay. Ano nang susunod na oras ngayon, Kyrie?
In military time, sir, it's 1300 hours. But in
Very
regular
good.
time, it's 1 p.m.
Yes, very good, Kyrie. So, since we are in military time, continuous lang yung ating oras. So, it's 1300 hours. And its counterpart is 1 o'clock p.m. Understood? Understood,
Opo.
class?
Yes po.
Okay, understood, Kirby?
Opo.
Okay, next will be winter. What will be next?
1400 hours.
Very good. And its counterpart in regular time?
2 p.m.
Very good. It's 2 p.m. Okay, next, Silene. Ano ang susunod nating oras?
1500 hours.
Okay, 1500 hours. Ano naman ang counterpart niya sa regular time?
3 p.m.
Very good. It's 3 p.m. Next will be Brits.
1600 hours.
1600 hours, meaning ano ang kanyang counterpart?
4 p.m.
4 p.m. Very good. Now we have Maxil.
1700 hours.
Okay, meaning anong oras? Ng 1700
5
hours?
p.m.
5 p.m. is correct. Next one, Kirby. After 1700 hours, what's next? Kirby? 17 o'clock, meron na tayo dyan, no? 1700 hours. So, kailangan, ano ang susunod na oras? Pagdating sa military time, winter. Winter.
1800 hours.
Yes, very good. 1800 hours. At anong oras naman sa regular time?
6 p.m.
Yes, okay. Madilim-dilim na yung 6 p.m. Di ba? Kagaya na nag-start tayo ng ating class. 6 p.m. Okay, so madilim-dilim na. How about the next one, Silene?
1900 hours.
1900 hours? Meaning? Anong oras na?
7 p.m.
7 p.m. is correct. Now, let's have the next one, Breach. 20 hours, meaning?
8 p.m.
8 p.m. is correct. Okay, next one, Kyrie.
2100 hours.
2100
Or 9
hours
p.m.
or 9 p.m. is correct. Maxil, you're next.
2200 hours.
Meaning?
10 p.m.
10 p.m. Next one, si Winter. In military time, it's 2300 hours. It corresponds to 11 p.m.
PM.
PM is correct. Okay, next one. What will it be, Kyrie?
2400 hours or 12 p.m. 12 a.m.
12 a.m. But in military, it is reset into 0000 hours. Okay? So, yung 24 hours, nireset ka agad bilang 000 hours. Naintindihan, class? Bumalik siya ulit doon sa starting point natin na 000 hours. Naintindihan?
Walang kulalat sa math. Walang kulalat sa math. A campaign on numeracy brought to you by I Volunteer for Filipino Children. Walang kulalat sa math.